What's good, everyone? You are welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we are going to be talking about the 1ZZ engine. It's for Corolla. This is Corolla, so we're gonna set the timing for Corolla 1ZZ. So come right with me as we dive in. If this is what you would like to be getting from us, stay subscribed to the channel and turn on your notification bell for more video. This is the chain for the 1ZZ engine. Okay, so bring the camera closer. So looking at the chain, we have the first yellow mark over here, and we have the second yellow mark over here, and here we have another. So this mark that you are seeing over here will now align with the crankshaft trigger, and for this we have the intake camshaft and this the exhaust camshaft. So we're gonna install this right away to the engine timing. So like I said earlier, this is for the crankshaft trigger. Okay, Juliola. So over here you can see the first mark. This is the mark. Okay, so like I said earlier, this is the yellow mark. So this yellow mark, we're gonna align it to this point that you are seeing over here. So this is it. You install. This is the mark. So we're gonna use this yellow dotted line to align with the crankshaft trigger mark, and then you round the chain and you push in the crankshaft trigger to the body wall of the crankshaft. So right now we are done with this, and the next is we're gonna install. So right now we are going to set the one for the camshaft. Okay, so this is the intake camshaft and this is the exhaust camshaft, which is the XA. So we're gonna turn. We turn. So this is the first mark. We are not going to set with this first mark over here. So we're gonna turn again. And here we have the second mark. So this second mark is what we are going with. Then when we come to the exhaust camshaft, we're gonna turn also. Okay, so this is it. This is the mark over here. This is the mark for the exhaust. We are going to use this. Okay, so for the first one, we have the yellow mark. So we are now going to align this to this point. So you can see that this yellow mark was inserted on this bigger lined mark. So then for this mark, we are going to align it to the other point also, which is the double teeth that you are seeing over there, which is this guy over here. So we're gonna turn a little to match the point. So we turn a little. And then you can see that it's now well lined. So if we should count from this point to this point, you can see that it would be 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So counting 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So Corolla mark usually comes 8 mark on the chain. So if we should count from this point over here, from this point 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. You can see that it's 8. So roller chain usually comes with 8 mark on the chain. So you can see that it's now 8. So if you set using this mark over here, using these 2 mark over here and this, and matching on both lined painted mark, which is the yellow, that means it's correct. So you can see that the camshaft opened, it went opposite. Okay, so this is to tell you that yes, it has now aligned. And coming to the crankshaft trigger, okay, so that is it. So the next we are going to do is to install our damper, which holds the chain. So after inserting these two guys, you are good to go. So the function of this damper is to hold the chain tight in order not to miss timing. And this guy over here, the adjuster, the tension uses it to hold the chain together in order not to miss the mark. Okay, so that is it. And when we come to the bottom, here we have the crankshaft trigger mark. Okay, and that is it. After everything, then you now install the F pan back to its position, and that is all of that. Okay, so hope that was helpful. See you guys in the next video. Auto repair guy.